This 2024 Coachmen Sportscoach Road 411TS is a Class A RV. It is located in Boerne, Texas, 78006 and is offered for sale by Ancira RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features a Chiffon, Sandcastle interior, sleeps 6, Slideout, and 89 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2024 Coachmen Sportscoach Road 411TS is built on a Raised Rail Freightliner chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.